Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to customize always on display and themes on Xiaomi 15T. Go into the settings and then personalization, always on display, and first enable the always on display. And here you have your themes, the signature, analog clocks, ATC, and you can select, for example, this one, apply, and when we close our phone, it is working. Then back from always on display and to the themes, and right here you can search for free themes and download that, and you can immediately apply that. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.